Practice set 17.1, third question. O is the center of the circle. Find the length of radius. If the chord of length 24 cm is at a distance of 9 cm from the center of the circle. So in this question, length of the chord is given AB 24 cm and which is at a distance of 9 cm from the center of the circle. This chord is at a distance of 9 cm from the center of the circle. So this distance is given 9 cm. Here we'll write P. So OP is equal to 9 cm. AB is 24 cm. And we have to find out OA. Okay, so what is given? Chord AB 24 cm. OP 9 cm. And OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so here we will use the first rule. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So I have written here given. We have to find out the radius, and the first rule, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now I am writing over here P. OAP, we need AP. So length AP is equal to half of length AB. So this is half of 24 is equal to 12 cm. So AP we have got 12 cm. Now we'll use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OAP as it is given 90 degree. So as the triangle is right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OAP we are using Pythagoras theorem. Theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So OA is hypotenuse. So OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. We can consider any as a side 1 and side 2. So for the side 1 I am writing OP and the side 2 I am writing AP square. So now OA square, the value of OA is not known. OP is 9 cm and AP is 12 cm. Okay. Therefore length OA square, 9 square is 81. This is 144. Therefore length OA square is equal to addition 1 plus 4 5, 8 4 12, 225. Now we'll take the square root of both the side. Length OA is square root of 225. 225 is the square of 15. Therefore length OA is 15. So that means radius OA is 15. Answer is the length of the radius is 15 cm. Question number 4. C is the center of the circle whose radius is 10 cm. Find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 cm. C is the center of the circle whose radius is 10 cm. So I will draw this as radius 10 cm. The distance of the chord. So I'll draw one chord joining which is attached to the radius also. So this chord is 12 cm. And the distance of the chord from the center. So this is the distance of the chord from the center. We have to find out if the length of the chord is 12 cm. So in this question only the name for C is given. I am writing here AB. So chord AB is 12 cm. Radius AC is 10 cm. And we have to find out CP. CP is the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So given radius AC is 10 cm, chord AB 12 cm, CP is perpendicular to chord AB, and we have to find out CP. Using the first rule, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So we'll find out AP.